right, today we're going to do color chemistry science lesson, and we're going to create an erupting volcano. Volcanoes are an awesome example of how nature adds color to the earth. Hot gases deep inside the earth build up and become pressurized. The gases find a hole that leads to the surface, and they escape. When the gases escape, they bring molten rocks and minerals called lava along for the ride. So we're going to simulate that by making our own version of colorful volcano. We're going to use fizzy tabs and water to create the gas. The fizzy tabs contain an acid like vinegar and a base like baking soda, and they quickly react to produce lots of carbon dioxide. Say carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
But this acid and base can't touch each other until the water dissolves in the tablet, and that allows them to unite and make the carbon dioxide. Okay, Oliver, here we go. Show us the color mixing pot strip. How about the 2 packages of Model Magic? Paintbrush, plastic volcano tube, a beaker, fizzy tabs, a pipette, colored inks, disposable plate, and paper towel, and we'll get the warm water when we need it. All right, on a disposable plate, make your volcano using the 2 pouches of Model Magic. Press them around the plastic volcano tube. So here's our tube. Okay. So you're going to open it up. Be sure to pour in the middle and the opening of the volcano. So the tubes are covered by Model Magic. The next step is that we have created red, yellow, and blue paints and our volcano. So Oliver, let's go ahead and start to paint and decorate our volcano now. So how are you going to decorate your volcano? Ooh, okay. All right, so starting out with some yellow up around the top of our volcano. I like that. And then here's some hot water if you need to clean your paintbrush in between. Okay, well, William and Oliver are painting our volcano with the red and yellow. Ian wants to create orange. So Ian, right here next to the red, you're going to put in 9 drops of yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you're going to put in 1 drop of magenta, and you will make the secondary color of orange to paint. And 1 drop of magenta, and there's the paintbrush. And then you will be ready to paint some orange, your secondary color. So here's your red and here's your orange. It doesn't take much magenta. William, can you see the paintbrush to put some orange on?
Yeah, well, the yellow looks like orange.
Clean that paintbrush, mix it together, and we're going to put some orange. Ooh, that did turn out orange. Very cool. Okay, we've set our paints off to the side, and we have our finished painted volcano here. So now we are ready to add 2 fizzy tabs to the center of the volcano. I remember that these fizzy tabs were a combination of what? Do you remember what's in them?
Baking soda and vinegar.
Baking soda and vinegar, or an acid and a base. So put 2 of them down in there. And now we have our beaker of warm water. We're going to slowly add the warm water into the plastic volcano until it starts to erupt. So the acid and the base are going to mix together when the water goes in. We're going to add, keep it, and there is your volcano.
I was expecting much more than that.
You were expecting more than that, but guess what? After it stops erupting, you can use the pipette to add more water and fill it again. So as soon as it stops erupting, give it time. I love how you picked the red fizzy tab so that it erupts red.
Yeah.
It's still erupting, Oliver. Does that look like lava?
Kind of, yes.
Yeah. Now you can do this at home With what two ingredients?
Baking soda and vinegar.
Baking soda and vinegar. So all you need is Model Magic, paint your volcano on a paper plate, and then you need baking soda
It's still going.
and vinegar. Ours is still erupting, and when it's done erupting, you can pipe
It looks
it
kind of like juice or something.
or
It's
add
Starburst juice or something.
a
It's
few
edible.
more drops of water, and it will continue.
It's basically
To
stopped
erupt.
erupting.
Has it basically stopped
No,
erupting?
it's
I
not.
still see bubbles. What are those bubbles made of again?
Baking soda and vinegar.
But what are the bubbles?
CO2.
Carbon dioxide. We're gonna try a volcano using vinegar and baking soda. Vinegar is our acid and baking soda is our base. And when we mix those two together, they make the carbon dioxide that explodes our volcano. And what's carbon dioxide again?
Bad air.
The bad air. It's what we breathe out, or the good air for trees that trees breathe in. So first we're going to pour our vinegar inside our beaker, about halfway full. That's our acid. And now we're gonna make it a color, and we've decided on purple. So I need 8 drops of magenta.
In it.
Yep, add that.
Wow, that is vinegary.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we need 2 drops of cyan. That's our blue.
That is
1,
vinegary.
2. And we are now ready to take a teaspoon of the baking soda. This is our base. And we're going to add it down inside our beaker. Let me see if I can get it in there. Okay. Okay. So we got our baking soda down in there, inside our volcano. All right, Oliver, now you are ready to start pouring the vinegar in until it starts to erupt, and then stop.
Well, that
And now we have a purple explosion. You can try to add a little more. That one goes a lot faster.
Whoa!
Oh, look at that one. That
Do it
came
again,
out
do it again.
fast. Let it finish. Let it finish erupting. And try again. And we'll know when it stops that all of our baking soda has reacted with all of our vinegar.
William.